It's raining. It rained. Also, it's raining. It's raining tacos. Woo! Oh crap, never mind. It's raining, guys. It's finally raining. I can hear the pool splashing of the death. Imagine I'm deaf and no reason why. It's wonderful. It's cool. It's gonna be a deadly storm. Yes, because it's raining very hard now. And you can hear the wind and the leaves are, oh my gosh, that tornado. Yep, we're dead, guys. So, if you want to see my second chant, actually, I don't have a second chant. I don't care. This is the end. Is that cloud forming? Please don't tell me that's gonna be a tornado that's gonna form. If it is, then we're dead. Linky, Quentin, I'm sorry, we're all going to die. Unless you can be safe. Because that tornado is about to form. So yeah, if you can feel it, like what's in it. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.